University ya Meru na ya Tharaka Nithi bekirite kirore witikaniria ati kuona thirikari kenda waka ikaro bia utaalamu bwa engineering boni kenda kuringa jeki aritwa bara barumirite kithomo ki utiiri bakwato menyo bwa itumi. Anthony Kathenya ena ndeto itariria.
University nene ya Meru ndia Vice Chancellor Professor Romana Sodiambo na ile ya Tharaka ndia Vice Chancellor Professor Peter Moriongi muthenyo mdila alimoja University inge 19 ile jekirite saini baro ya rutingo gina thirikari na kumba kwithire kiona mbesa kile muradu wa thirikari nene wa wakiboi tuo biothomithania bwa mathomo ma STEM ilo mathomo ma science, technology na mathabu.
HEST Phase 2 is a flagship government investment in the transformation of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, education within our universities. And it is critical right now because of the new system that we brought into place, the competency-based education system.
Kumani na mradi ojo, University ya Meru Science and Technology, ikethurege akasente electrical and electronic engineering.
Signing a document an agreement that is going to be used to establish a center of excellence of electrical and electronic engineering in Meru, one of its kind in East and Central Africa.
To have this opportunity, and by the way, to have base nyingi muno to have million magana manana ma 75 magana manana ma 75 million iria tugutuma institution yo na ikethwe na laboratories either in a staff rooms igakorwo ina very strong equipments of engineering.
University ya Tharaka nayo kumani na mukataba ojo ikethirwe kinene ya science tuition amwe na wakibwa laboratory njeru ja electrical and electronic engineering.
So through that project, Tharaka University is going to get funding for 3 things. Number 1, a realignment kwenye ombatu eneo yitawa science tuition na Tharaka University kwa weka elaino kenda yumba wa accommodate many laboratories. Number 2, we are also now going to build close to 7 laboratories kenda to enable offer courses in electrical na electronics engineering.
Wakibwa center ino kire university ino gukija kagita kala thirikari kwibangania kwa mukila rutwa bambele ba university ndia mubango wa CB mwaka 2029 atongerie baba ba university ino liba kiuragia Meru kujuke kanya na gotigera no jeliko gwakwa bakethro beba mbere kujuke twanye kili skuru ino.
PS and the CS have told us that we have to prepare for the students that will come in 2029. The other day I also visited the Commission for University Education and the Barola program, which all universities must do because we must prepare for 29. There's no shortcut. So I know universities will be what? Will be ready.
I'd like to invite our people, the people from the Mount Kenya region, the people from the whole country to take advantage of this state-of-the-art center of excellence, which is very, very useful.
Proud here and Meru, na Kenya at large, the public, to come to Meru and join this institution.
Kuma mji munene Nairobi, Mbeta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.